Hey, and welcome to Cryptext. Cryptext is a web application that allows you to send encrypted messages to friends. And if you're the recipient of one of these messages, you could come on back here and have the message unencrypted so that you can find out what is trying to be shared with you. So it says here, Cryptext is here to help you send that message without wandering eyes knowing what you're up to. Give us a message, let us run it through our cipher and give it back. Safe for you to send. Plan that surprise party. Talk about how you're crushing on that new VP. Make that truly inside joke. Your secret is safe with us. So great. So as I look at this page, I see there's an option to be logging in and creating a user up top here. I can come on down here and send that secret to crack the code. So if I did decide to just start here, I can come on and it is going to prompt and say, hey, do you want to log in first? And if I clicked that, I could log on in, or I could just continue as an anonymous user here and just submit a message and send that along to a friend. At the same time, I could come as an anonymous user and have a message decoded right there for myself without having to log in. But you know what? I am going to log in. And so I've already created a user, which if I hadn't done, I could just do that over here, but I have done one. So I'm going to log in. It's alex@cryptext.com, and I have my password. Log in. Fantastic. So as we see now, our page here has changed a little bit. So the nav bar now has an option for my history and log out, where before it was just saying login/create user. So if I click my history, it's going to show us this table here. So these are all messages I've sent, and it'll say the date I've sent it, the recipient I've sent it to, what the message will look like encrypted. In the testing phase, uses a lot of the same message over and over again, so you'll see some of them look the same. And then it'll also show you if it's just been sent or if it has been opened. You also see some of these here are undefined. That's just we weren't tracking that data just yet. So we are tracking all of that now. So you see the most recent messages are tracked with all that. So great. So I'm logged in and I am ready to send a message. So I'm going to send that secret. And it got rid of that login prompt. It knows we're already here. So we're going to say, hey, I am Alex. And I'm going to send this message to Justin. And what's your shared passcode? So this is a word that Justin and I have agreed on previously, and that's a key that we're going to use for all of our messages. And it's just going to be a word, and we won't forget. So our passcode is hello. I'm going to say, is it me you are looking for? Great. So I'm going to hit submit on that one, and there is our encrypted message back. Fantastic. And it says use this key code with the message to crack the code. It gives us there. I could just use this right now, or I can hit email it, and it's going to open my email client, and great. So now there's an email that it's already formatted. I could put Justin's email in there. Subject is Cryptext message, and it says, Alex says that encoded message. Your key code is, there's that key code, and then it says go to, there we go, our website, cryptext.surge.sh to crack the code. So fantastic. So I'm already here. So I'm just going to move along, and I'm just going to crack that code. So as you see, as we're navigating through the pages, it's continuing to remember that I am me, our history, and log out. Those are still options up top. And actually, if we go to our history, I'm just going to do that quickly, we'll see that message is already on there. So it says today, the 20th, send message to Justin. There is the message. As you see, it does match some of the test message has been used a bit, and it does show it as just being sent. Okay, so we're going to hit Cryptext, come back, we're going to say we're going to crack that code. So I am not Justin, I am me, I'm Alex. So my passcode, well, we agreed on the word hello. And that key code that I got from the email, there it is. Okay, so I'm not going to hit submit. Great. So this is what Justin would see if he'd received this from me and come back to the site. It says, Alex sent you the following message. Is it me you're looking for? So the encryption that we do does strip out any punctuation, but as you see, it does keep the spaces in there for us. So hopefully you can understand what that is. Fantastic. Well, we've sent a message, we've gotten a message back, and had it unencrypted. There's really nothing else for us to do here, so I am just going to log out and end our session. So great. Now it's saying, hey, do you want to log in, create user? Where now somebody who could use this again anonymously. Okay, if we wanted to send a secret in, it's going to give us that prompt again. We're ready to go and use it again if we wanted. So that's Cryptext all in a nutshell. Thanks for checking in. If you stay tuned, we will hopefully have a version in not too long where you can just send this all via text. So thanks again for coming by.